Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Jay. This is probably my first video I ever made. I made like the YouTube like a long time ago, but yeah, I kind of have like a news story or something. Uh, yeah, outside. Oh my God, it's horrible outside. It's like you know, in Oklahoma, that's where I'm at. Well, I live in Coweta, which is like 20 miles away from Broken Arrow, and yeah, it's basically like a blizzard outside. It started snowing around 1 o'clock in the morning. Oh my God, there's so much snow outside, and you really gotta like look outside to like see it. It's just, oh my God. I don't know when this stuff's gonna clear off. I hope it does. I'm missing school probably for this entire week, but I'm pretty sure the snow is probably gonna be melting by Friday, unless like all this, because it's supposed to be like pretty cold outside, and yeah, I'd give you like a visual of it, but I don't really get a good visual unless I go like to the window or something, which I'm not gonna do. So yeah. Anyway, I just like to say that I really don't. It's like, I don't know. This is just a video to like tell you like how crappy it is outside. Yeah, it's like, I don't know. I'm at my friend's house right now. I'm in his mom's room. Yeah, it's and yeah, the music that you're probably hearing, that's A Day to Remember. It's a band that I'm supposed to be going to go see like on April 11th. I try to, at least. Yeah, but you know. So I'm done with the video. This has been my news of the day. My name's Jay, and this is what the fuck I say.